What's up, YouTube? What's up, Rumble? In this episode, I had met up with Hernan from Hernan's Real Game YouTube channel on the afternoon of October 31st, 2020 at a small southeast Wisconsin lake. I will put a link to Hernan's channel in the description. The day had started out super windy, so we picked this lake because its small size would minimize any wind issues. When we arrived at the lake, it was pretty choppy, so our choice turned out to be a good one. The day turned out to be a pike fest, and I landed 13 pike and 3 bass, and that's not including the several pike I lost at the side of the boat. Due to the large number of fish caught, this video will just cover the 2 best fish of each species. Most of the pike caught were not huge, but it was a fun afternoon of pretty much constant action. The preferred lures for the day was the excellent cream scoundrel worm and the monster bass swim bait. The plan of action was to use the kayak pedal drives to try and maintain position in the wind, and this did work until we had to unhook a fish, and then the wind would move the kayaks almost to the other side of the lake.
Right.
This was a rinse and repeat cycle all afternoon.
Oh! Scoundrel! There we go, folks. Look at that. Nice 16-inch bass. Halloween 2020. Windy.
The pike were extremely active most of the afternoon, but the bass seemed somewhat sluggish in the cool 41-degree water. On a side note, I didn't get cut off once all day, as I was using 8-pound titanium tieable wire leader on the spinning rod and 65-pound fluorocarbon leader on the crankbait rod.
It's a nice pike. Look at that, folks. It's pike number 10. I don't know, I lost count. Burn it! Yep.
As the daylight waned, the wind picked up even more and was producing some pretty choppy conditions.
Oh, big bass! Oh. Burn it. Yep. There you go, Halloween bass.
Just as a FYI, I caught half the fish with the cream scoundrel and the other half with the monster bass swim bait.
There go, got him. Oh. Nice one. Hernan. There we go, folks. It's the Halloween Pike Fest.
Well, that's it for this episode. It turned out to be a great but windy day, with many pike along with a few bass. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful sunset time lapse. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.